These viral videos took less than 30 seconds to make.
But you were never mine. You run, I stay. You pull away. I'm calling your name in the pouring rain.
Let's get started. First, head over to trendmysong.com. The link is in the description. Click sign up, create your account, and log in. Once you're inside, you'll notice 3 different workspaces. The green workspace is music distribution, the red workspace is promotion, and the purple workspace is studio. Today, we'll be working inside studio. That's the purple one. By the way, you can switch between workspaces anytime using this circle in the corner or simply from the sidebar on the left. Now to create the viral videos, you can click the Create Viral Videos button in the Studio workspace or the Create UGC button from the sidebar. By the way, UGC stands for User-Generated Content, which refers to content created for posting on social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Before we can generate any videos, we need to upload a song. So let's click Add Song. Now upload your AI song. If your track is longer than 60 seconds, simply crop it down to 60 seconds or less. Next, enter your song title. Then choose whether your track is instrumental or with vocals. This step is important because if your song contains vocals, we'll automatically generate synchronized lyric captions for your videos. And as you'll see later, captions can make a huge difference when it comes to watch time and engagement. Once everything looks good, click Upload Song. After uploading, automatically detect your lyrics. Take a quick look and make sure everything is spelled correctly. Then click this button. Now you'll see the lyrics editor, and don't worry, you don't need to edit anything here. The purpose of this page is simply to make sure the lyrics are synced correctly with the song. Press play. Watch the captions.
See you in the quiet night, fading so far outside.
If everything looks good, click Save Lyrics. That's it. Your song is now saved in your library and ready to create videos. Select the song we just uploaded. The first step is choosing the section you want to render, which is the part of the song that will be used in the video. You can use the entire clip or just your favorite section. Next, choose a visual style. This controls the type of visuals that appear in the video. I really like this one, so let's go with it. Now for one of my favorite parts, lyrics animations. If your song is instrumental, you won't see this option because there aren't any lyrics to display. But since this song has vocals, I can choose how the lyrics will appear and animate on the video. Let's pick this animation style. Next is text overlay. This step is completely optional. These are the texts that appear at the top of the video. Type one if you want, or leave it blank. Now click Review. Everything looks good. Click Render. Within less than 30 seconds, the video is ready. And here it is.
I see you in the quiet night, fading so far outside.
You can also click All Creations in the sidebar to view all the videos you've generated and download them. Now, one thing I personally love about TMS, and honestly, it's a pretty big deal, is that there's no monthly subscription. You simply add credits to your account and use them whenever you need them. If you've used Suno before, it's very similar to that. Want to create viral videos? Use your credits for that. Want to distribute a song to Spotify? Use them for that. Want to launch a promotion campaign? Same thing. One credit balance works across all 3 workspaces, so you're free to spend it however you want. To get credits, head over to the pricing page and choose the package that works best for you. Each package shows exactly how many credits you'll receive and roughly how many videos you can create. The main thing you want to look at is UGC viral videos. For example, the $99 package includes 750 credits. That's enough to generate around 150 viral videos. And that's how you can create the viral videos I showed you at the beginning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.